ultimate freedom out on the water. No one to bitch at you. No one to tell you what to do. Well, okay, maybe the Coast Guard who turned me around and said I couldn't go the full trip. Told me that I was crazy. Maybe there is somebody who could tell us what to do out here, doggone it. Go figure, right? Just when you think you're free, the Coast Guard tells you no. You're crazy. You have to turn around now because you won't make it. It's only 8 miles, guys. Just because I'm a girl. Here we go. Get turned around. Coast Guard doesn't think a girl can make it. Right, Toby? Maybe I should have let you steer, bub. Maybe you should be paddling so that we could go without the Coast Guard telling us that we can't do it. All right. Well, I guess I'm out. Cruising along the water, just chilling.